name?
My name is Latoya, and
You are from which country?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, great. So, why you came here to learn this Mardani Khed Indian martial art?
Since I'm a child, I'm very much interested in that. I just never got the opportunity to learn, and I think in times like these, it's really good to have some. Last year, there was a student from Italy, and she actually told me and recommended me to come here this year. So I took the chance, and yeah, I'm really glad I did.
So, what is your motto after the learning of this workshop?
Like what I plan to do.
Yes. So, after this workshop,
Mm.
what is your plan? What you are going to do with this martial art?
Well, so first of all, I'm going to be performing with the people from the academy at the Ganpati festival, first day. And once I'm back in Germany, I hope to be able to continue my training so that I will improve my skills.
Okay. So, what message you will give to the all ladies across world after learning this martial art?
So I think everyone should learn some kind of fighting arts, some kind of martial arts. I would definitely prefer this one because it's really cool to learn how to handle the weapons. And yeah, I don't know, like it just feels so natural doing this. But I think everyone should learn some kind of fighting.
Thank
आपली
you.
महाराष्ट्र ही भूमी छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या पदस्पर्शाने पावन झालेली भूमी आहे. याच्यामध्ये शौर्य आणि पराक्रम गाजवला गेलेला आहे या धर्तीमध्ये. आणि आत्ताच्या युगामध्ये जी महिला मुली वगैरे आहेत त्यांना सक्षम बनवणं शैक्षणिक दृष्टीने आणि शारीरिक दृष्टीने पण सक्षम बनवणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि त्या दृष्टीनं आम्ही ही आपली शिवकालीन मर्दानी युद्धकला आम्ही या कलेचा प्रचार प्रसाराचं काम करत असतो. आणि या माध्यमातून आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी आपले प्रात्यक्षिक सादर करत असतो, वेगवेगळे वर्कशॉप वगैरे घेत असतो, कॅम्प वगैरे ऑर्गनाईज करत असतो की जेणेकरून ही कला लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचावी, मुलांनी मुलींनी त्याच्यामध्ये सहभाग घ्यावा आणि जास्तीत जास्त ही कला